Procedure text: how to make kombucha. Ingredients and materials needed: 1 gallon, 3.8 liters of filtered water, 8 to 10 bags of black or green tea, or 2 tablespoons of loose leaf tea, 1 cup of white sugar, 1 SCOBY, symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeast, 2 cups of starter liquid, unflavored, plain kombucha from a previous batch or store-bought, a large glass jar, 1 gallon size, a breathable cloth, like a coffee filter or cheesecloth, and rubber band, a wooden spoon or silicone stirrer. Clean glass bottles with airtight lids for storage. Steps: prepare the sweet tea base. Boil about 1 quart, 4 cups of water in a pot. Add the tea bags or loose leaf tea and let it steep for 10-15 minutes. Remove the tea bags or strain the tea leaves. Stir in 1 cup of sugar until fully dissolved. Add the remaining cold filtered water to cool the mixture to room temperature. Assemble the kombucha starter. Pour the cooled sweet tea into a clean glass jar. Add the starter liquid. This helps acidify the tea and prevents unwanted bacteria. Gently place the SCOBY on top of the liquid. Cover and ferment. Cover the jar with a breathable cloth and secure it with a rubber band. This prevents dust and insects from entering while allowing the kombucha to breathe. Place the jar in a warm, dark spot, 21 to 27 degrees Celsius, away from direct sunlight. Let it ferment for 7 to 14 days, depending on your taste preference. The longer it ferments, the tangier it becomes. Check and taste. After 7 days, start tasting the kombucha daily by dipping a clean straw into the jar. When it reaches your desired level of sweetness and tanginess, it's ready for bottling. Bottle the kombucha. Remove the SCOBY and place it in a clean container with a little kombucha for the next batch. Pour the kombucha into clean bottles using a funnel. Leave about 1 inch of space at the top. You can add flavor. Serve and enjoy. Chill the kombucha in the refrigerator before serving. Pour into a glass and enjoy your homemade kombucha. Tips: always use clean utensils and containers to avoid contamination. Keep the SCOBY healthy by storing it in a small amount of kombucha when not in use. Avoid using metal utensils when handling the SCOBY, as it can react with the acids in kombucha. Enjoy your refreshing and probiotic-rich homemade kombucha.